A comprehensive guide to installing XenApp. Step-by-step instructions. Citrix XenApp stands as a stalwart in offering a robust application delivery platform that has revolutionized the way businesses distribute software. System requirements and prerequisites. Hardware requirements. Server hardware. Ensure that the server or virtual machine you plan to install XenApp on meets the recommended hardware specifications. Licensing. Acquire XenApp licenses. Before proceeding with the installation, make sure you have the appropriate licenses for XenApp. Remote Desktop Services, RDS. If you are planning to use XenApp in conjunction with Microsoft Remote Desktop Services, RDS, ensure that RDS is properly configured on your server. XenApp deployment options. Cloud-based deployment. Citrix offers cloud-based deployment options, allowing you to host XenApp on platforms like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Google Cloud. Hybrid deployment. A hybrid deployment combines both on-premises and cloud-based infrastructure. XenApp service on Citrix Cloud. Citrix Cloud provides a management and delivery platform for XenApp. Installing the XenApp server role. Obtain XenApp installation media. Before you begin, ensure you have the necessary XenApp installation files. Launch the installation wizard. Run the XenApp installation package on the server or virtual machine where you plan to install the XenApp server role. Begin installation. Once all settings are verified, start the installation process. Configuring the license server. License acquisition. Before you can configure the license server, ensure you have acquired the necessary XenApp licenses. Allocate licenses. Once the license file is installed, you'll need to allocate licenses to your XenApp servers. Monitor license usage. Regularly monitor license usage to ensure you remain compliant with your licensing agreement. Creating a XenApp farm. Plan your farm. Before you begin, it's essential to plan your XenApp farm carefully. Review and confirm. Review the information you've entered in the farm configuration wizard to ensure accuracy. Application publishing. Navigate to Applications. In the XenApp Management Console, navigate to the Applications section or a related area, depending on your XenApp version. Define access control. Set access control for the published application. User and Group Management. User and group management in XenApp is essential for controlling access, securing resources, and ensuring the right users have access to the right applications. Load balancing and high availability. Load balancing and high availability are critical considerations when setting up a XenApp environment, especially for ensuring performance and continuous operation. Securing your XenApp environment. Securing your XenApp environment is a critical aspect of maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your applications and data. Assess security requirements. Begin by assessing your organization's specific security requirements and compliance standards. User training. Educate users about security best practices, including the importance of secure passwords, avoiding phishing attacks, and reporting suspicious activity. Conclusion. In conclusion, setting up a XenApp environment is a complex but highly rewarding endeavor that enables organizations to deliver applications and desktops to users efficiently and securely. By carefully planning and configuring your XenApp environment, you can harness its capabilities to provide your users with reliable access to the applications and desktops they need, while maintaining the highest levels of security and performance.